provision. Madam Sponsor, yung regarding din sa inquiry ko before on solo parents, because on our law, sabi, they are entitled. Kahit job contract sila, job order or contract of service sila, they are entitled to the 7-day leave. So I think this is an opportunity. Pwede bang isama natin sa special provision para i-clarify sa lahat ng agencies that they are qualified for the parental leave of 7 days.
There's a joint circular, and there's a joint circular number 1, series of 2017, issued June 15, 2017, and I will read to you one provision which could be a problem. And I'll read to you the provision verbatim. The services of the contract of service and job order workers are not covered by civil service law and rules, thus not creditable as government service. They do not enjoy the benefits enjoyed by government employees, such as leave, pera, rata, and 13th month pay. So that is what the DBM has told me, but if it is specific in the solo parents law, I will support you, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam Speaker, because a mere joint memorandum circular isn't enough para may batas tayo, bagong
Yes.
pasa yung batas, mas latest
Yes.
yung batas. So we have to follow. That's why we have to put it in the special provision. I know that's what the problem is. Walang employee-employer relationship, si job order at saka si contract of service. But we should have thought of that before we passed the law. But we passed the law and signed by the President. So we have to honor that.
That is correct. I tend to agree with you. So, definitely, hindi tayo papayag na a joint circular will trump the law. So, paglalaban po natin yan, Madam Speaker.
I will submit a proposal for a special provision so that all agencies, national government agencies, recognizes this. Even the DOJ during the RR acknowledges, kasama sa batas siya eh. So dapat i-implement po natin para sa mga solo parents sa job order and contract of service. I will submit a special provision para to correct lang at magkaroon ng mandate yung mga departments to actually allow the solo parents on job order and contract of service. Pinasa natin yung batas eh, so honor it. Granting parental leave benefits to solo parents working in the government under job order or contract of service pursuant to Section 7 of Republic Act Number 8972 as amended by Republic Act Number 11861, otherwise known as the Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act, a forfeitable and non-cumulative parental leave of not more than 7 working days with every year shall be granted to any solo parent employee regardless of employment status who has rendered service of at least 6 months. This shall